It is currently February 5th. I'm gonna go over the trade I took this morning. I'm gonna add my actual execution. Okay, so today, on February 5th, I was looking for basically longs off of let's start on the daily time frame. Okay, going into today, we know that we have a bearish bias, but the reason why I was looking for longs around market open is because we had this unfilled 4-hour gap that we could use to long into to continue down at market open. So what was our key point that we were looking to respect for the longs? It was daily wick fib. This is the actual sauce. This is how you can see for a fact that price actually is algorithmic. This is how you have confidence that day trading is actually something more than just an internet scheme. Okay, because market opens, and where does it draw to, and where does it respect? The daily wick fib. Okay, so we respect daily wick. We come up here 100 points. Volatility is insane right now, and I really wish I took this entry. The only reason I didn't off of this as a limit order is because volatility is so insane. And honestly, that's not even really my model. I've been tapering it. I have taken wins with it, and it's cool when it works. Well, like at the same time, at this moment, like I literally have made $10,000 this week. I literally made $10,000 this week. So at the moment, I was looking for more like a setup where I can actually just be comfortable with taking and have more confirmation because right now I'm trying to build a buffer and I'm gonna try to take a payout very soon. I'm one winning day away. Um, it'll be around a $5,000 payout, and let's get back into the trade, okay? So, like I said, we're respecting and we're also internally manipulating the sell side here from pre-market. So we're taking out pre-market, sell side, internal. We're coming down, we're respecting the daily wick, and we're inverting this 1 minute SIBI here while changing in state and opening first presented fair value gap, all three in one, boom. And then we come back down, we respect consequent encroachment, which also happens to perfectly align with the change in the state. Look how you can start to unravel the algorithm of price by doing this. Look how everything aligns with itself. We have an inversion, we have displacement, we have a change in the state. That change in the state perfectly aligns with a wick that was literally before, that was literally respecting the SIBI before. That wick ended up being perfectly in the same spot of this displaced candle as well as this wick to perfectly align with the change in the state at consequent encroachment of first presented. Like that is literally just like perfect. Like how can price not be algorithmic when you see something like this? Okay, this is beautiful. And like I said, we're going to be bearish. We're going to tap into this 4-hour gap, and just like that, from there, we had shorts come all the way back down to internal and all the way down to consequent encroachment of the wick, where we put in sell side, resting sell side, to be taken after that as well. Like, if you're able to just view the charts in this way, you'll have clarity, but understand what a narrative is, understand what's trying or should highest probability wise be trying to be achieved in the markets. Okay, the what was the market open objective in my opinion? It was to manipulate lows, put in new resting lows, and to rebalance to the 4-hour gap and take out highs. We've taken out all the highs. We're back into the 4-hour gap. Like I said, consequent encroachment. No candle in this, even on the 1 minute time frame, closes above consequent encroachment of the 4-hour gap. Now we're extremely bearish all the way back down 200 points back down into sell side. Okay. Just view the objective, view the narrative. What are the charts trying to tell you? And when they present it, you act on it, you execute, okay? And you don't think about anything else. You just execute. It's right in front of your face. You have to click it. That's when you enter. But yeah, back to that'll be it for the recap portion of this video. I wanted to just touch on where I am right now as an update because I'm not just here just to spread the sauce. I'm also here to document. And currently, as you can see, I've made $10,000 this week. Um, it doesn't feel real, to be honest. Like all these videos I'm making is just first try roll through, so I don't really have a lot to say honestly on that, but it's pretty sweet. I mean, I know that this has been a long process for me. 1.8 years now I've been trading. A year and 8 months. So I guess not 1.8, but it's all led to this. And like being able to see with clarity, like in front of my eyes now, like it is so rewarding. And I'm just extremely grateful for the process. Um, I used to get mad when I would see people, you know, flexing a lifestyle that I knew they didn't have. Um, I used to get pissed because this trading is something that I put so much time into, and I still wasn't where I wanted to be. So when I see people I knew where where even I was in the process, flexing a lifestyle that I'd actually have been working on for so long, I used to get mad. And I started to detach from that by viewing it through the perspective of the whole point of trading at the end of the day is to be financially free and to have the freedom to live how you want. And those people won't get there by LARPing online. Okay. You've been trading for 4 months. You watched TJR boot camp and you're posting a Lamborghini on TikTok in a penthouse that you got photos of off Pinterest. Like, why? It doesn't make sense to me why someone would take that action when you can just learn and just be a student because I still am that way as well. Like, I will never stop pushing to get better at this because genuinely, when you put so much time into something and you see results from it like this in the form of literally an incomprehensible amount of money, it doesn't feel real. But the but the success of actually achieving what I want through results is more fulfilling than the actual dollar amount. I'm literally speaking off the dome right now, but that's my take, and that's where I am, and this was the trade. So I hope that in your journey, you take these videos and you use what I say about discretion, about narrative, because that is all that I'm pushing. This trade is not technical. There's nothing to this trade besides taking 50% of a propulsionary wick, seeing an inversion of a pre-market SIBI, opening a first presented, respecting consequent encroachment of that, respecting consequent encroachment of the inversion, and literally just executing. There's nothing else to it. Whatever these gurus online are trying to teach you, where you're getting analysis paralysis and everything's moving so fast. No. What is the market trying to achieve? And is it doing it efficiently in front of your face? And if it is, just go with the flow, bro. Literally just ride the wave, dude. All right. I'm gonna be done with this video now. I'll keep this channel updated with my progress, wins and losses. I want to be more consistent with this. It's hard right now, but I'll make time for it. Alright. See ya.